Okay, so today we're working on the hat for Nico. That one. So it's about 6 inches tall, and this is, I believe, either 4 or 6 millimeter foam. And it's about 6 inches tall and about 18 inches wide. And we're going to take a heat gun and shape it into a circle and then try and glue that like that. And you can see some like dents and stuff in here. I'm not going to worry about it because I'm going to be covering it in fabric anyways. So yeah. Basically, I didn't record this part as a tutorial because I don't know what the heck I'm doing. But I cut a rectangle kind of like that. I like stretched it all over the thing and I was like, right, looks good. Cut it there. There was it didn't work out. So the front looks fine, except, I'm gonna clean the edges with trim anyway, so it doesn't matter. The back looks kind of bad, but kind of the best I could do, and besides I made it, so that's all that really matters though. And I'm pretty sure I also put fabric on backwards, like upside down, like with the wrong side up. I don't know, it's not that noticeable, but I'm the Joker, baby. This